Here's 7 reasons why 2025 wasn't as bad as you think, and why birds gave us hope. Let's dive into some great wins for birds and people that you helped to make happen. 1. We conserved millions of acres of habitat. As just one example, Canada is one step closer to providing permanent protections for a 12.5 million acre watershed thanks to the years-long efforts of the First Nations of the Seal River Watershed Alliance. From Canada throughout the continental U.S. down to the southern tip of Chile, we're working across borders and landscapes for a better world. 2. We advocated successfully for the designation of the Chuckwalla National Monument. More than 55,000 Audubon members contacted decision makers in support. Thanks to your efforts, now 624,000 acres of Mojave Desert in California is protected. 3. We led the way to protect lands that help cool the planet and speed up our transition to renewable energy. The science is clear. Climate change is birds' number one threat. The science is also clear that what's good for birds is good for climate and people. Through groundbreaking research, we've located exactly where we can best help birds, slow climate change, and support local frontline communities. Renewable energy is also surging ahead, and we're at the table with the latest bird science to help speak up for birds and people. 4. We restored critical bird habitat. As part of a 20-year effort, we've rejuvenated more than 70,000 acres of Florida's Western Everglades through the Picayune Strand Restoration Project. This crucial work supports birds like wood storks and red-cockaded woodpeckers. 5. We protected 40% of North Carolina's coastal nesting waterbirds. We also broke some records. We banded the most ever American oystercatchers since banding began in the state. Go North Carolina! 6. We celebrated our 100th Audubon on-campus chapter, Howard University Green Coalition. Our community of bird lovers, advocates, and community scientists is bigger than ever thanks to you. And at 7, we secured our largest national protected area yet through Conserva Aves. Conserva Aves is a partnership co-founded by Audubon that focuses on protecting critical habitat throughout Latin America and the Caribbean. By collaborating with local communities, we've been able to connect and conserve ecosystems across 164 protected areas in Latin America, including more than 660,000 acres in 2025 alone. We accomplished all of this and much more thanks to your help. Let's make 2026 even better. Sign up to advocate for the birds you love and the places they need today.